Welcome to our tutorial how to find followers on the Threads app. Threads is an incredibly popular social networking application that allows you to connect with people around the world through various threads or thematic groups. If you want to expand your network of followers on this platform and enjoy rich interactions with like-minded individuals, having genuine followers plays a crucial role in achieving those goals. In this tutorial, we will explore several useful strategies and tips to help you find followers on the Threads app. Whether you are a new user or already have experience with the platform, our advice will provide you with guidelines on how to build your presence and attract high-quality followers. Get ready to enhance your experience on the Threads app and build valuable connections with other users. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Threads app on your phone. And you will notice that it shows you all of the accounts that you follow, along with other ones that it believes you might want to see. All you need to do is click on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the top left corner, you will see where it says Followers. In my case, I have 7 followers. Once you click on Followers, it will display the current list of people who are following you. From the list of friends, select someone. Once you enter their profile, you can click on Follow Back to start following them as well. Alternatively, you can remove the same friend by clicking on the Remove option next to their name. This is really important only if you have a private account and you might want to switch it to private mode, and you don't want a specific person to contact you anymore in conversations. That's it for this video. We hope we have helped you. Thank you for watching.